If you're looking for a premium leather wallet case for your brand new Galaxy S25 Ultra, then I've got the case for you. This case is made by LEATHERBORNE, and again, it's made from full grain leather, and it's also got RFID blocking built in, so you don't have to worry about anybody stealing your information. We're going to see how it fits, how it feels, and how well it works on the phone, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not this case is right for you. And if you guys do want to pick it up, I will be putting product links in the video description. So first off, it comes in this pretty nice textured box. And on the inside, the wallet actually comes in this really nice fabric pouch so it doesn't get all scratched up or anything before it gets to you. You can see that it's got this really nice shine to it. It smells like leather. We also do have some holes in the front so you can use your phone without actually having the case opened up. It's got a magnetic clasp that seems to hold pretty good. We have some card holders on the inside with a little window for your ID. We also have a little holder or a little pocket on the inside for maybe some money. We've got that kind of suede feel on the inside. This also does act as a little kickstand as well, and I'll show you that in just a minute. We've got a case in here that I believe is made of like a TPU or a TPE type material. It is very flexible. It does not come out of the case. And on the outside and the back, we do have a raised edge for our camera protection. We'll take out the phone, put our phone inside the case. Seems to fit the phone really well. Your phone is definitely not going to fall out of this case. It's got our cutouts on the bottom here. So if you want to access your S Pen, kind of put your finger in there and get your S Pen out. Not a problem. You can also fold it back in itself like you can see here. And if your fingers are long enough, you can still access your volume buttons on the side. But as far as it closing, that magnetic clasp here works really well. It keeps it closed so it's not going to just flop open while it's in your pocket or your purse. Yeah, it clips really well. I really like that design. The stitching is also quality. It doesn't seem sloppy. It seems very even all the way around the phone. And on the back, you can see, again, we have got that raised edge for our camera lens protection. I also do have some camera protectors on my phone as well, so you can see it fits perfectly in there. Again, it doesn't add a lot of extra bulk to the phone. So we'll put some cards in here. Cards slide in very easily, and they're in there, so they're not going to just slide out unless you want them to. And we'll close up the case to see how bulky it is. So you can see it doesn't really add much extra bulk even with the cards in there, so that's definitely nice. And again, for that kickstand, it's a little stiff because it's brand new. But if we fold it back, you can see that it does work as a little kickstand, so you can watch some Netflix or YouTube in the landscape portrait, in the landscape mode. And then as far as the buttons on the side, buttons are nice and clicky, fairly easily pressable. They're not, it's like it's not very pronounced. They do work, but you have to press them in just a little bit harder than some of the other cases, but not a huge issue. They also don't come off the case very much, so it might be a little hard to press over the edge of the wallet case itself. Again, if you fold this back in itself, if you have big hands like I do, you can press in those volume buttons and maybe the power button on the bottom here, but we also have this little piece in the way, so you will have to kind of push that off to the side and just press it with your finger. It's probably easier if you just use your other hand to kind of press that power button if you need to. But this does seem like a really nice case. The magnetic clasp holds the front part of the phone closed. And let's play some YouTube so we can see what it sounds like through the front of the phone. So you can hear that's super loud even with the cover closed on the front of the wallet case. So you shouldn't have any problems talking to anybody with the case closed. Now, as far as wireless charging goes, this doesn't have any MagSafe built in, but we should be able to use it with a regular wireless charger. So we'll try that out. Open it up so you guys can see. And it still does seem to wirelessly fast charge right through the case. So you can either plug it into the bottom or just use your regular wireless charger. Very nice wallet case. I really like the fact that you can use it as a little kickstand to watch something on your phone no matter where you are. We've got a couple cards in here you can have. You can put your ID because it's got that window, put some money. Feels really nice on the inside. And we have that full grain leather covering the whole outer side of the case. And again, like I said, it's RFID blocking, so all of your card information inside the case is going to be safe and protected. So what do you guys think about the LEATHERBORNE case for your S25 Ultra? I'm curious to know. Let me know in the comments below. This is definitely one of the nicer leather cases that I've seen, and I love the inclusion of this little magnetic clasp. I've seen this work on some other cases, and it works really well, versus that little fold over kind of magnetic clip that really doesn't hold the case closed. This one works really well. And again, if you guys want to pick this up yourself, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.